Hi everyone. Number 1. This little rainbow poop. Number 2. This adorable golden and his tiny human. Number 3. The sweet angel baby with puppy dog eyes. Number 4. This pair of paws. Number 5. This little acrobat. Number 6. These hungry goldens that are every late night snacker ever. Number 7. This cute before and after. Number 8. This tiny baby who just wants some sun. Number 9. This beautiful couple. Number 10. These 3 little musketeers. Number 11. This silly floof. Number 12. This World Cup fan. Number 13. This golden and his furry friend. Number 14. The cutest six-pack you've ever seen. Number 15. This mischievous pup. Number 16. And this dapper little man. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.